converting decimal degrees into degrees, minutes, and seconds, we have to bear this in mind that for every degree, that is equivalent to 60 minutes. And for every minute, that is equivalent to 60 seconds. We have to remember this for us to convert decimal degrees into degrees, minutes, or seconds, or the what we so-called DMS. Now, let us have an example. We have 28.31 degrees and we are to convert this into DMS. Now, as you can see here, 28 is already a whole number. That is why, ililive lang natin si 28 degrees as it is. So, we have 28 degrees plus, i-add natin kung sino yung hindi exact, and that is 0.31 degrees. And we are to convert 0.31 degrees into minutes by multiplying 0.31 by 60 minutes over 1 degree. Because, tulad ng sinabi kanina, that for every degree, that is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then we'll do the math. That is 28 degrees plus 0.31, or that is 0.31 multiplied by 60, because 60 over 1 is 60. That is 18.6. So meaning to say, 0.31 degrees is equivalent to 18.6 minutes. Now, as you can see here, it's still not yet exact. Meaning to say, we are to convert 0.6 into seconds, and then we'll leave 18 minutes as it is. So that's gonna be 28 degrees plus 18 minutes, because 18 minutes is already a whole number, plus the remaining one, that is 0.6 minutes, and we are to convert 0.6 minutes into seconds by multiplying it with 60 seconds over 1 minute. Dahil sabi natin kanina that for every minute, that is equivalent to 60 seconds. And then we'll do the math. That is equivalent to 28 degrees plus 18 minutes plus, we'll do the math, 0.6 times 60 minutes over 1. That's gonna be 0.6 times 60. That is equivalent to 36. Meaning to say, 36 or 0.6 minutes is equivalent to 36 seconds. Now, if we are to convert 28.31 degrees into degrees, minutes, and seconds, that is equivalent to 28 degrees, 18 minutes, and 36 seconds. Now, using your calculator would be a bonus. If you know how to use your calculator, then you will have an easier task. Let us try to convert 28.31 degrees into degrees, minutes, and seconds using your calculators. So what you're going to do is just to enter, or just to click 28.31 and then press equals. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. So after clicking 28.31, just press equals, and then you are to click the degrees, minutes, and seconds button here for you to convert it into degrees, minutes, and seconds. And that is still equivalent to 28 degrees, 18 minutes, and 36 seconds. Let us now try to revert the process. What if the question is for us to express 95 degrees, let's say for example, 95 degrees, 45 minutes, and 45 seconds into decimal degrees naman. Now here, we still need to apply what we have applied kanina, that for every degree, that is equivalent to 60 minutes, and for every minute, that is equivalent to 60 seconds. Sa given natin 95 degrees, 45 minutes, and 45 seconds. Si 95 degrees ay nakadegree na, that is why we leave 95 degrees as it is. So we have 95 degrees plus. Si 45 minutes naman ngayon ang i-convert natin into degrees by multiplying it with 1 degree since doon natin siya i-convert, that is 1 degree over 60 minutes para na rin makancel natin yung symbol ni 45 at ni 60. So we have 45 minutes times 1 degree over 60 minutes plus si 45 seconds i-convert din natin siya into degree. But then, dito sa concept na binuo natin kanina, wala naman tayong direct na conversion from degree to seconds. Pero, kung mapapansin ninyo, we can still have 1. 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. Ibig sabihin, si 60 seconds, pwede nating i-multiply kay 60 minutes para malaman natin kung ilang seconds meron sa isang degree. And that is 60 times 60, that is equivalent to 3,600. Meaning to say that for every degree, that is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. So we have now a direct conversion from a degree to seconds. That is why we are to multiply 45 seconds by 1 degree. Since doon natin siya i-convert, that is 1 degree over 3,600 seconds. And now, we'll do the math. That's gonna be 95 degrees. Then we simplify 45 minutes times 1 degree divided by 60 minutes. That is 45 divided by 60. That is equivalent to 0.75 degrees. Meaning to say, si 45 minutes is equivalent to 0.45 degrees. Plus, we'll do the same here. We have 45 seconds times 1 degree divided by 3,600. And that is equivalent to 0.0125. Meaning to say, 46 or 45 seconds is equivalent to 0.0125 degrees. And now, for us to express 95 degrees, 45 minutes, and 45 seconds into decimal degrees, we just simplify this one, and that is equivalent to 95.7625 degrees. Kagaya kanina, pwede din natin gamitin yung calculator natin for us to convert a certain degree, minutes, and seconds into decimal degrees. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to make sure that our calculator is in degree mode. And what we're going to do is to press 95. And then, you have to press the degrees, minutes, and second button. And then, we have 45 minutes. You still need to press this one. And then you still have 45 seconds and press again the minutes, the degrees, minutes, and second button, and then press equals. And what we're going to do is to press this once again, meaning to say 95 degrees, 45 minutes, and 45 seconds is indeed equivalent to 95.7625 degrees.